Google just released Pomelli, and this could save you a massive amount of time and money generating posts, stories, ads for social media. And that could be on any platform. Also at the moment, as is experimental, it's completely free to use as well. So I'll link it down below. And just note that access depends on where you live in the world. So some countries, you might not be able to see this right now. You can always use a VPN and just route it to the United States, and that should still work. So I've linked the page down below. When you come to the page, just click on Let's Get Started. And here, what it will ask you is, you can see here, generate business DNA, get campaign ideas and creatives. But to use this, you have to insert, for the time being anyway, a website. So either you could do your own website, and what it does is it pulls a lot of the content from your website, including all of the images. So we'll just do one as an example. This is a random website. It's called Learn Prompting. Reasonably boring website, but just to show you how powerful it can be, even for something like this. So I'm basically going to copy and paste this website. So I've popped that in here, click continue, and then it usually takes about 5 minutes to analyze everything. So once it's done with the analysis, it gives you a little snapshot here where you can see it's got different fonts. You can change these. It's got some of the images, but I would say for the first time, don't do anything different. Just click looks good. And you can see the suggestions based on the business DNA. Really cool looking creatives, really cool images, text, and each picture or image is kind of unique too. So not only can you actually directly use these in your business now, let's say if you're running an ad campaign, it gives you really good ideas as well. It helps you think outside the box compared to when you're using something like Canva and you've got kind of fixed templates for this stuff where you have to add all of the information to it. Now with any of these, you can click on one of them and then you can edit too. Now with any of these, you can click into it. If you click the 3 dots, you can download, or you could duplicate in a different size. Let's say you wanted square. So very, very cool, all AI generated. Now you can add creative here and you can describe a new one you want to make. For example, I've just put something simple. I said, I've got an upcoming offer on one of the courses. Please create for this. And it's a story in terms of size. Click generate. Whilst that's generating, Google Labs is creating so many new experimental tools. And you can see them all here. Obviously it mentions Pomelli here, but there are many, many more. So that's a good place to look just to see what they're working on. And remember, all of their tools that people use now regularly all started here first in experimental mode. And you can see now it's developed the creative that we've asked for. If you click into any of these, you can edit. So obviously you can edit the text, the description, the font, color. You can ask it to generate a call to action as well in the bottom right. And you have to remember with this, it's all about training data as well. Google, Meta as well. They have more training data when it comes to ads and ad creatives than any other company on the planet. So I think as they continue to develop this, it's going to be a really, really easy, quick way to develop creatives. Because the thing is, when you're running ads, you never know which one's going to work well. What you want to do is you want to split test. But it's very time consuming sending this all to graphic designers and trying to develop your own. I think at some point they'll have an option where you can just develop from scratch. You don't need to put your own website in and stuff like that. But I don't think we're there yet, where it's just like Canva, where you can create things from scratch. If you want to reset everything and start again with a different website, just click on these 3 dots and just click Reset Business DNA. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thanks for listening.